The top 5 best manual knife sharpener recommendation. Recommendation number 1. KUBIKOOK CS Tone Kitchen Knife Sharpener. The KUBIKOOK Chef Sharpener CS Tone got the highest overall rating among all the manual pull-through sharpeners we've tested so far. It's fast, effective, and has a design that minimizes the risks of accidents while you're sharpening. And for all it offers, the price couldn't be more affordable. The CS Tone employs a 3-stage sharpening section with diamond-coated abrasive rods, tungsten blades, and ceramic rods, all working at a 20-degree angle. While this is a rather common setting, it got the sharpener further than many others in our speed and sharpness test. Recommendation number 2. Priority Chef 2-Stage Sharpener. The Priority Chef Sharpener may have a modest build, but that doesn't stop it from becoming one of the top performers in our tests. Its usability and budget-friendly price make it a good choice for those starting with knife sharpening. The Priority Chef's working section features one diamond-coated wheel for sharpening and a ceramic wheel for honing your knives. Its grind angle is smaller than most, at 17 degrees. Recommendation number 3. SUNRISEPRO Supreme Knife Sharpener. The SUNRISEPRO features 2 tungsten carbide blades that form a 20-degree V-slot. They took merely a minute to make a sandpaper-damaged knife sharp enough to slice through a whole lemon. Granted, they shaved much more material off the knife than reasonable, but these blades also worked faster than any other we've tested so far. Most kitchen knives will be ready within 30 seconds of meeting them. The sharpener features a suction base, and on the right, flat and clean surface, it stays firm and stable, allowing you to sharpen without holding it. The device also enjoys a solid. Recommendation number 4. WAMERY Knife Sharpener 4-Stage Knife. The WAMERY features 1 sharpening slot for scissors and 3 for kitchen knives, instead of the usual setting where the diamond-coated rods work. As a prep stage, we start with the tungsten carbide blade before moving on to the rods. Interestingly, this resulted in a much smaller amount of swarf. The knife was left with a nice, smooth edge too. The sharpening speed was impressive. At its fastest, the WAMERY took only 70 seconds to transform a uselessly dull knife. You must point the tip of the knife slightly downward while sharpening, or it'd be a hit or miss. Recommendation number 5. KITCHELLENCE Knife Sharpener. The KITCHELLENCE is a 3-stage sharpener with a slot layout that's identical to the KUBIKOOK's, except its sharpening rods are thicker and feel much more substantial. The sharpener is not the fastest, nor does it produce a particularly keen edge, but its performance is well above average and consistent through the whole duration we've got it. The fact that it scores in material retention is among the top group is reassuring. 2. The KITCHELLENCE has a strong, robust construction, with all parts feeling solid and fitting together securely.